Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Bristol is a city, unitary authority area, and ceremonial county in southwest England, the most populous city in the region. Built around the River Avon, it is bordered by the ceremonial counties of Gloucestershire to the north and Somerset to the south. The county is in the west of England combined authority area, which includes the Greater Bristol area, 11th most populous urban area in the United Kingdom, and nearby places such as Bath. Iron Age hill forts and Roman villas were built near the confluence of the rivers Frome and Avon. Bristol received a royal charter in 1155 and was historically divided between Gloucestershire and Somerset until 1373 when it became a county corporate. From the 13th to the 18th century, Bristol was among the top 3 English cities, after London, in tax receipts. A major port, Bristol was a starting place for early voyages of exploration to the New World. At the height of the Bristol slave trade, from 1700 to 1807, more than 2,000 slave ships carried an estimated 500,000 people from Africa to slavery in the Americas. The port of Bristol has since moved from Bristol Harbour in the city centre to the Severn estuary at Avonmouth and Royal Portbury Dock. The city's modern economy is built on the creative media, electronics, and aerospace industries. The city centre docks have been redeveloped as cultural and heritage centres. There are a variety of artistic and sporting organisations and venues, including the Royal West of England Academy, the Arnolfini, Ashton Gate and the Memorial Stadium. The city has 2 universities, the University of Bristol and the University of the West of England, UWE Bristol. It is connected to the world by Bristol Airport, to the rest of the Great Britain via Bristol Temple Meads and Bristol Parkway mainline rail stations, by road by both the South West to West Midlands M5 and the London to South Wales M4, which connect to the city centre by the Portway and M32. Bristol was named the best city in Britain in which to live in 2014 and 2017. It won the European Green Capital Award in 2015. Roman era, evidence of settlements in Bristol dates back to Roman times. By the 11th century, it had become a significant port city, heavily involved in trade, including wool and wine. Bristol played a controversial role in the transatlantic slave trade, now commemorated and critically examined at museums like the M Shed and the Bristol Museum and Art Gallery. Flourished as a hub for innovation, engineering, and shipping. The birthplace of Banksy, Bristol is famous for its street art, showcased in the annual Upfest Festival. Bristol known for its contribution to the UK music scene, including genres like trip-hop, with bands like Massive Attack and Portishead originating here. Bristol hosts many events, including the Bristol International Balloon Fiesta, one of the largest hot air balloon festivals in Europe. Bristol has Clifton Suspension Bridge. It is an iconic symbol of the city and a historic steamship. Bristol Cathedral is a stunning example of Gothic architecture, and Harbourside is a modern redevelopment featuring museums, galleries, and restaurants. Aerospace industry is a home to companies like Airbus and Rolls-Royce, making it a global leader in aerospace technology. Green Spaces is known for its parks, such as Brandon Hill and Ashton Court, as well as proximity to the Mendip Hills. Bristol was named the European Green Capital in 2015 for its focus on sustainability and environmental innovation. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.